Donald Trump has 3 days to scrounge up $464 million to cover his bond for civil fraud in New York. Sources indicate that behind closed doors, the former president is in panic mode, but he may have new avenues of cash flow opening up. This morning, investors approved a deal that paves the way for Truth Social to go public, potentially giving Trump a multi-billion-dollar windfall from stocks. And he could have some cash headed his way thanks to some fine print and a new fundraising agreement with the RNC. Donations will first go to his campaign and then the PAC paying his legal bills before they wind up with the party. Let's start with the Truth Social deal now. CNN's Matt Egan is tracking it. So, Matt, walk us through this merger and exactly how much money this could mean for Trump.
Well, Boris, this does look like a big financial win for former President Trump. Shareholders have given a green light to this merger between Truth Social owner Trump Media and a publicly traded shell company. This was really one of the final hurdles to get this long delayed deal done. Though I should note there is still some legal uncertainty because there is ongoing litigation seeking to block the merger from closing. But assuming it does close, this could be a publicly traded company as soon as early next week, one where the former president would own a dominant stake, 79 million shares. At recent prices, that would be worth $3.4 billion, well north of the half a billion or so in terms of bond that he's supposed to be posting in New York by Monday. But here's the bad news for former President Trump. In many ways, this is less liquid than his real estate assets for a few reasons. First of all, deals like this, they have what's known as lock-up restrictions that basically prevent insiders from immediately selling as soon as the ink is dried on the deal. That's never a good look, but it's particularly bad here because former President Trump is not just the face of the company, he is almost the product itself. Another issue here, if he was able to get through those restrictions, which is a big if, another issue is that it's not clear that anyone would want to let former President Trump borrow against the value of those shares because they would lose value as soon as he's sold. And Boris, perhaps the biggest issue is that experts say that the market is seriously overvaluing Trump Media.
Matt, why is it that some believe it's overvalued right now?
Well, the problem is that Trump Media, it's burning through cash and it's piling up losses. In the most recent quarter, Trump Media generated just $1.1 million in revenue. It lost $26 million. Truth Social itself is shrinking. Monthly active users are down by 39% year over year, and yet the market is valuing this company in the billions of dollars. One professor, Yale professor Jonathan Macy, he told me, quote, the stock price is clearly a bubble. No rational investor would take the stock at face value, especially if they had to hold it for any length of time. Another professor told me this is basically a meme stock. So yes, this deal does look like a financial win for former President Trump, but no, it does not look like the cash infusion that he really needs.
Matt Egan, thanks so much for breaking that down for us. Let's get the campaign angle now with CNN's Frederica